Yay! Woohoo! 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 Guys, I'm here too. And this is BJ 5. Yeah, this. Hey guys, another video. Well, I'll be putting his channel in the description below, guys, who's on my channel right now. Killed him with my bare hands. What the heck? Oh. I can't see anything. I gotta go in the house and change my brightness. Wait. I just closed myself. So settings. Sorry guys, my screen's a little tilted. Is it game sensitivity? Yeah, a little bit lighter. Yeah, everyone can see hopefully. We have 22 torches, enough to probably go in the cave. I can't see that. I don't know where I am right now. And that is upwards. Every time I walk into a cave, so there. Over here. Okay, I can see that. Whoa, cool. I found coal. I have nothing. Okay, thanks. Probably gonna be another video of lots of coal. I don't. Okay, never mind. Whoa, it goes out. Wait, I think I see another cave. Yeah, I see it too. Woo. I don't know how we're gonna get a log gun. Okay, so then basically goes up, which is perfectly shaped for our house. Like how I found my house, it was just looked like a cave, and I went into it, but it was like a small little area, like this one. After a while, after we get situated for a house, we should start building like, I don't know, like museums or whatever. Like big houses, like better houses. Yeah, but also we should make like, in the house. I don't know. Can you help me out? What? Big cave, dude, big cave. I can't see. Okay, thanks. Die! Oh, sorry. We killed it. And we're continuing our journey, ravine. I was joking. Oh gosh. Goodbye, Lon! Oh, did you survive? Yes, but there's a skeleton shooting me. Put lights. No! Oh, I slept in your bed. Yes, I'm still there. Oh, thanks. Oh, thank you. Holy crap, lava! I found emeralds! Yes, I'm serious. Holy crap! I already found emeralds!
No, you have to have iron.
We need to find some iron.
Spider. Sorry. No.
I saw everything, dude. I saw everything.
Oh, sorry. Oh, God.
Sorry, evil spider.
Whoa.
Dude, you just killed your cousin. You're a cave spider. You killed a spider.
Oh, no. That was my brother.
Iron, dude, iron.
Oh, okay. That works out perfectly.
Oh, 3. I got 3. Perfectly 3.
What the heck? This is like working out. Two. More emeralds. And more iron. What the heck? Is this like a lucky day?
I think a lucky day.
Holy crap. Oh, I hear a skeleton.
Okay.
Oh, I can't get my, oh gosh.
Lucky day. If I've ever played Minecraft.
Oh gosh.
You just run. Which one's the first emerald?
Come on. Let's get out of here.
Get over here.
Oh, YOLO. Ow. To you guys, it kind of sounds like, I can kind of hear you guys, and it sounds like I sound like a dumb person for some reason. Like, whoa, there's a bunch of coal and a slime. I'm gonna die. Whew. I'm not dead yet. Dude, there's a bunch. Redstone! Dude, I found redstone.
Dude, I can't hit them. I have 2 hearts.
I have 1.5. I think we might even find diamonds. I found a bunch of redstone. If you're by redstone, that means you're by diamonds. I think I see diamonds. Wait, is that diamonds? No. But I think I found where the diamonds are. It's in this hill. You gotta come. I have nothing. Don't teleport me. There's a zombie coming for me, but I found redstone. No. Yes. It's safe. Look. Redstone all over. Coal. I think we found where diamonds are. We might be lucky today. Just break all the lava. Break all the redstone. As soon I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. Not now, but as soon. Like 1 more minute. No, 2. We have 2. I'll make 2 more minutes. Oh, you're gonna have to come down here. God. Oh! Do you have any iron? Dude, how are we finding all this?
I know, right? We found 3 spots of iron, emerald, and we lost the other 2. Okay, I'm gonna make a furnace. Dude, we're screwed.
What?
There's no wood.
So, oh gosh.
No scrap.
There's another emerald.
Look at it, bro.
Fight! Oh god! That was a total advantage. I just said advantage. I got iron! Bye! No!
Okay, dude. It's like our time now. We need to get out of here.
It's too late to quit now. We got a bunch of emeralds.
Emerald.
Uh,
I have no wood though.
oh gosh.
Dude, I'm ready. Let the zombie kill me. Let the zombie kill me.
No. Okay. Bye.
I'm getting some wood and then I'll get a furnace and stuff.
I don't think I'm gonna get to survive that long. I'll try, but
You have to.
oh, it's the end of the video though.
If not, dude,
I have to end it. Guys, this is BJames05. I'll put his link to the channel below.
that was a great video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of this video.
Yep.
The next video will probably be me and BJ getting out of that long cavern. And oh look, I got a bonus chest.
This is BJames05.
Oh my god, I have a stone axe, wood, cocoa beans, potatoes, a stick, and wow.
Peace out.
Thank you guys.
Whoop.